So what are the different types of tummy tuck? Are there different types of tummy tuck, and which procedure is the best for you? So tummy tuck is a layman's term which is used to encompass a whole range of procedures which start from a simple abdominoplasty, which includes three components as I described. Those are removal of skin, removal of fat, and tightening of muscles. Apart from that, there is something known as extended lipoabdominoplasty, which just means that the scars of a traditional abdominoplasty are carried out more towards the back to remove any extra skin that may be there. Then there is something called as circumferential lipoabdominoplasty or 360-degree truncal contouring, in which not only the skin in the front and the sides but also in the back is removed. Then we come to an even more advanced procedure, that is a lower body lift. Now a lower body lift will tighten your abdomen. It will pull up the loose skin on the outer aspect of your thighs, also correcting to a certain degree loose skin on the inner aspect of your thighs. And also it corrects any buttock ptosis or sagging down of the buttocks if present. And at the same time, there are various methods by which buttock augmentation can be done at the same time. So a lower body lift is the most advanced procedure for a lower body contouring and to give you the desired body. So to decide which procedure is needed in you, I would recommend that you visit your plastic surgeon. Now, when you visit your plastic surgeon should be able to demonstrate the signs of this loose skin in each and every area that he's planning to remove. He should be able to pull the skin in these areas and show that you have loose skin and what the results might look like. Also, he should be able to demonstrate this loose skin by taking photographs and projecting them onto a screen where he should be able to clearly show you wherever loose skin is present. So whatever procedure he chooses for you, he should be able to objectively demonstrate it to you and also convince you whatever procedure he has decided for you. So tummy tuck is a more extensive procedure than liposuction, and therefore the recovery period is much more prolonged. In a standard liposuction, the recovery period is about 4 weeks, where 80 to 90% of your swelling resolves by that period of time. So because tummy tuck is a more extensive procedure, the swelling takes 8 weeks to resolve. And apart from that, because the muscles are tightened, you may be advised not to lift weights or do any strenuous exercise for that period of time. Also, in the post-operative period, for the initial 1 week, you may find it a little bit difficult to walk straight because the muscles have been tightened and all the loose extra skin has been removed. So you may feel a little tightness in the abdomen, and also you may have to walk by bending forward 10 to 20 degrees for the first week. After the first week, you should be able to walk straight. Also, in the post-operative period, you have to wear a compression garment and longer than what is required in liposuction, that is up to 6 to 8 weeks. Tummy tuck is a more radical procedure than liposuction, so the results are more radical, life transforming and body transforming. Even though the recovery period may be a bit longer, the results are much more radical and if done in the right procedure, give excellent outcomes. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any more questions, please mention them in the section below and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.